For example, an integer variable can hold only same type of constant. A real variable can hold only real constant, and a character variable can hold only character constant. So there are various sections for integer, then for real variable and character variable. So there are various partitions for these types of separate variable uh, variables. Now, rule for constructing variable names. A. A variable name is any combination of 1 to 31 alphabets, digits, or underscores. Some compilers allow variable names whose length could be up to 247 characters. So, variable names is any combination of 1 to 31 alphabets, digits, or underscores, and some compilers, that means there are some specific compilers who allow variable names whose length could be up to 247 characters. Still, it would be safer to stick to rule of 31 characters. Do not create unnecessarily long variable names as it adds to your typing effort. So you can use 31 characters, but do not create unnecessarily long variable names because it can add a very typing effort. So in program we have to type these names again and again, so unnecessarily these variable names can add to typing effect. Then rule B: first character in the variable name must be an alphabet or underscore. So this is rule number B, that is first character in variable name must be an alphabet or underscore. Rule C: no commas or blanks are allowed within a variable name. So no commas or blanks are allowed in a variable name. Now rule D: no special symbols other than underscore as in gross underscore cell can be used in variable name. So rule D is no special symbols other than underscores. So underscore can be used, but no special symbols other than an underscore as in gross underscore cell can be used in variable name. Example: si underscore int. Now m underscore hra, pop underscore e underscore 89. So these are special symbols other than an underscore. These rules remain same for all type of primary and secondary variables. Naturally, the question follows: how is C able to differentiate between these variables? This is rather simple matter. So these rules remain same for all type of primary and secondary variables. So these rules are same for all primary and secondary variables. C compiler is able to distinguish between the variable names by making it compulsory for you to declare the type of any variable name that you wish to use in program. This type of declaration is done at beginning of the program. Following are the examples of declaration of statements. So basically, how this C compiler is able to distinguish between variable names is by programmer will have to declare them or specify them before the typing program or before execution of program. So example of these are int si comma m underscore hra. So this is an integer. Float basal, so this is a basal is a float. Now char is character, that is code. So we have to define each variable uh, before execution of program or before writing of that program. So these are few examples of integer variables.